In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet, a powerful tool for video conferencing and online meetings in this 2024 Beginner's Guide. Google Meet is part of the Google Workspace suite, allowing for easy collaboration and communication with others. Whether you're looking to connect with colleagues, family, or friends, this guide will walk you through setting up a meeting with ease. To start, you'll want to head over to the Google Meet homepage. Simply open your browser and type in meet.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface. From here, you start by clicking on the option called New Meeting. This is where your journey begins to create a meeting that can either happen immediately or be scheduled for a later time. Once you've clicked New Meeting, you'll choose Schedule in Google Calendar. This option is perfect if you want to plan a meeting in the future. Clicking it will take you directly to your Google Calendar, where you can set the details for your upcoming meeting. Next, you're going to type in the title of your meeting invite. Think of this as naming your event. It could be something straightforward like Team Update or more specific, depending on the purpose of your meeting. A clear and descriptive title can help your attendees prepare better for what's to come. After naming your meeting, it's time to add the attendees. In the Google Calendar event, you'll find a section to search and add emails of those you want to invite. You can add anyone with an email address, even if they're outside your organization. Google Meet does a great job of integrating with other Google products, making this process seamless. Now, let's set notifications. You want to make sure your attendees are reminded about the meeting, so choose how they'll be notified. Typically, they'll receive an email, but you can customize this to better suit your attendees' needs, ensuring no one misses out. Next, it's essential to set the time zone for your meeting. This is crucial if your participants are in different parts of the world. Click on Time Zone and select the appropriate options for when your meeting is occurring. This ensures everyone joins at the right time. Once you've input all this information, click OK to confirm your settings. This is just a final check to make sure everything you've entered is correct. Now it's time to finalize. Click on Save to store your meeting details. This will lock in what you've prepared and ensure the event is set in your calendar. Finally, click Send to dispatch the invites to all attendees, ensuring everyone on your list gets notified with the meeting details. And there you have it. You've now successfully scheduled a meeting using Google Meet. Feel free to experiment with the many settings to tailor-make your meeting experiences better each time. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.